Hey, what's up YouTube? So I just want to show you my new tactical pen that I purchased from Microtech knives. This is the box that you're going to be getting. This is the model number and a brief description of the pen. You will get some literature in here, cartridge replacement information, pen information. All right. So let's put this aside. So I have been using this for a while and I do like it. Overall, the weight, the size of it, it's really nice. There are a couple of things that I don't like about it, and I'll go over that a little bit later. But let me show you some intricate work on this pen. So it has a tritium insert here, and it's a light blue. It's hard to show you right now, obviously. Inside the, I guess, whatever you want to call the bolt action part, there's nice milling, and it's like light blue anodizing. And here's the clip. There's a glass breaker up top, carbon fiber that's milled out right there. It's nice. And the bottom mill work. This is the action of the pen, which is smooth, so it's kind of nice. And take it apart. You just unscrew. Here's the Fisher Space Pen insert. There is a spring on the bottom, so just make sure you don't lose that. Oops. Looking through the monitor and taking things apart, putting it together, it feels a little weird. This is really weird. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. All right. You also can unscrew this part right here, and I believe you to do so that you can replace the tritium insert once it dims down. I think it lasts for 10 years. I could be wrong. Bolt action's nice and smooth. All right. So overall, the fit and finish on this is really nice. The only thing that I don't like about, and I'll go over it right now, is how it writes. And I think this has to do with the Fisher Space Pen cartridge, not the pen itself. And they probably picked the Fisher Space Pen because it can write upside down, and I believe it could write in water. I could be wrong, all right? And obviously it could write in space. But let me show you what I normally use. I normally use this Uniball Bolt 207. And sorry for my chicken scratch. And that's what it looks like when I write. And I like that thickness of it. And it's personal preference. And here's now. Also, I noticed that with the Fisher Space Pen, you have to push down harder. If you don't push down harder, it kind of like there's a different like I don't know, flow of ink or something like that. But I think that's just a Fisher Space Pen and cartridge. Other than that, I'll put this number next so you can see the size. It's a little bit longer. Obviously this weighs a little bit more, but it's a really nice pen. The satin finish is 175 in a large, and a mini is 165. They also have a shot-peened one, which I have on order and will be coming. I've been searching for a tactical pen for a long time, and this one really caught my eye. I was gonna order the tactile turn one, but I decided to hold off, and I'm glad I waited for this one. All right. I guess I'll give you guys a little bit more update later on after I used it for a long time and let you guys know my overall thoughts. But I mean, this is really a pen. I don't really see how this would fail. The only thing I can, I'm going to try to see if there's any other insert that's going to work with this, but I don't believe so. And I'll check to see if there's any other Fisher Space pen inserts that I could possibly purchase. Thank you for watching, and catch you on the next one.